Hello everyone, this is Banh Trang Nuong, grilled rice paper. This is a very popular Vietnamese street food, sometimes called Vietnamese pizza. The base is rice paper and not dough, so there's no oven, no baking. This can be easily made at home on a regular grill or a fry pan on the stovetop with any toppings that you like. I was first introduced to this snack a few years ago during my trip to Vietnam by a street vendor in Hoi Ann. It consists of banh trang at the bottom and then minced pork. It looks like she put chilies, green onions, bacon. Does that look like bacon bits? And then she glued it all together with eggs and over hot grill. The result is this. Very crunchy, salty, sweet, spicy, all blend together. It's really good. And it's for 15 dong, which is less than $1 per snack. Good, quick pick-me-up snack in the afternoon right by the beach. Okay. The crunchy texture and the flavor were just perfectly balanced, so I knew that with just a few more fresh ingredients, the use of premium eggs and cheese, this snack would be amazing and healthy too. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video, and I hope to see you back here at the next video.